How the hell y'all doing? Clint from the Doorway 2, doing another one of those reviews you love oh so much. Today is Friday, January 3rd, 2025. Welcome to a new year. We're going to be doing the debut album from a band out of the UK called Mutagenic Host. The album is called The Diseased Machine. It's on Gurgling Gore, Dry Cough, and Memento Mori. It's on CD, digital, and LP that I know of. I'm not sure if there's a cassette version as well too. We are going to listen to several tracks of this monstrous death metal record. That's the best way I can say it is monstrous death metal record. Anyway, we're going to listen to several tracks off of this, and we'll go from there. If you like bludgeoning, gory, just subterranean death metal with hooks and grooves, like there's definitely hooks and grooves in this, then you're going to enjoy Mutagenic Host. Anyway, let's listen to the first song, which is called Neurological Necrosis. Here we go.
If man realizes technology is within reach, he achieves it. Like it's damn near instinctive.
There's definitely tech death elements in this record for sure, but mostly it's just kind of subterranean, nasty, ugly, old school death metal. Again, the band's name is Mutagenic Host. The album is called The Diseased Machine. It came out on Memento Mori, Gurgling Gore, and Dry Cough Records. It's on CD, LP, digital, and cassette. It is 10 tracks long. They are a 5-piece, I think, out of the UK. Yeah, they're a 5-piece. We are going to listen to a bunch of tracks from this. This will be the second track we're going to listen to. Track number 3, it's called The Twisted Helix.
Seeking control, moody as
it's just me being an old guy, but it reminds me of stuff like Grave and Unleashed and Dismembered. That's kind of the vibe it gives me. It gives me those old Central Media and Nuclear Blast kind of death metal days where it's mid-tempo at times. It gets a little bit faster, but it's just ugly, nasty death metal. There's some technical elements in it too, and like Grave and Dismembered always had technical vibes to me on top of everything else. But let's just do another song from Mutagenic Host. The album is called The Diseased Machine. These titles of the album, of the songs on the album, were just great. This is going to be track number 5, the third track we're going to listen to. It's Organometallic Assimilation. That one absolutely gives me vibes of early to mid period Entombed, just in the tone of the guitars and the bass and the way the vocals are being done. It kind of gives me those LG kind of vocals vibes going on. Let's listen to one more song and we're going to wrap this up. This is probably my favorite title of the entire record. It's the 4th song we're going to listen to. It's track number 7, Incomprehensible Methods of Slaughter. I mean, that's a chef's kiss kind of goddamn name. Anyway, here we go. Track number 7 from Mutagenic Host. hooky, ugly, bombastic death metal. What more could you want? Again, band out of the UK, 5-piece called Mutagenic Host. The album is called The Deceased Machine, CD, digital, LP, and cassette. It's on Memento Mori, Dry Cough, and Gurgling Gore all mixed together. Find it however you want it. If you like this kind of stuff, I will absolutely leave links to their Bandcamp and social media. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to the Doorway 2 magazine on Instagram, BitChute, Rumble, and YouTube. And until next time, this is your buddy Clint from the Doorway 2. I will see you.